is warming up outside, and it is time for Tuesday Track Talk. So I have a couple things here that I would like to touch base on. Let me pull up my list here. So got a couple things going on. We are doing sponsor spotlight, and if you would like to sponsor Alaska Raceway Park, you're interested in checking out one of these, be sure to be in touch. We do have a couple spots available. We have some class sponsorships that are still open, so we're definitely looking for more people to add to the Alaska Raceway Park family. So if you're interested in that, please give me a shout out, let me know. Today I would like to give a big thank you to two returning sponsors. We have Central Welding Supply, which is off of Hay Street in Wasilla. They offer gases for industry, medical, and beverages, which is something new I learned today. If you need stuff for making your home brew or wine, you can go over and check them out too. They have safety products like PPE. They also sell welding and cutting equipment. So stop in and see them. They're on Hay Street, which is off the highway on the way into Wasilla before you head to the Walmart area. Or you can check them out online at centralwelding.com. The second returning sponsor we have today is Pioneer Engineering. Pioneer is a well and septic testing company that also does septic design and repairs. So if you're getting ready to build that new shop or a new house or whatever, and you need that stuff taken care of, or maybe you're selling your home and you have to get that tested before you can close on it, give them a call. They have the fastest turnaround time and competitive pricing so that your closing goes very smoothly. You can check them out at akpioneerllc.com. They're also on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. And so yesterday was International Women's Day, and March is Women's Month, which is kind of exciting. I'd like to give a big shout out to all of the ladies at Alaska Raceway Park. We have an incredible number of lady racers, starting with our junior drivers all the way up to the big fast cars. We have some amazing lady employees, as well as all those fantastic track moms who help make racing happen. I can't thank you guys enough for all of the role that you play while you're out at the track. Whatever it is, whether you're helping in the tower behind the counter, or racing, or making sure that your racers get down the track, that is really, really important. So thank you guys very much. I am proud to be out there and also be one of the ladies of Alaska Raceway Park. So that leads me to a little special project that I'm working on, and I'm hoping I can get some help with this. I'm trying to create a list of the ladies that have helped shape Alaska Raceway Park. If you go way back in the day, Nina Prakash is probably the first lady that comes to mind. But over the years, we've had a lot of ladies that have helped make ARP what it is. And so I'm trying to compile that list, and if you guys could help me, what I'm looking for is, who the lady is, whether it's a racer or an employee, whatever the role was, and possibly maybe if you even have a photo of that person, that would be super cool to share. So, send that info. I kind of know the ladies that have been there in the past, 10 or 15, 20 years. 20? But if you guys can help me, I know there's a lot of ladies that were part of Alaska Raceway Park's history prior to my arrival, and I would like to be able to document that. So if you guys can help me out, I would super, super appreciate it. Hey, everybody who's tuning in there, and I did see, I want to give one last shout out before I close for today, but I did see that Cameron and Tabitha Blakemore, who have little 2-foot terror racing, they are headed to the hospital to bring in the next generation of racers for them. So hopefully everything goes well for them today, and their little boy should be joining us and joining the Alaska Raceway Park family. So thank you guys for tuning in today. I appreciate it, and I don't have a whole lot else going on, but I will have more updates for you next week right here on Tuesday Track Talk.